Welcome to a new entry of Show Your Stuff, the official product unboxing and review series by MultiJames95. If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to click the subscribe button and the notification bell to get more updates on videos and content like this. And don't forget to leave this video a like. So we have here an AirAsia A320neo, which is in a 1/150 scale. Got this last October 24 when I flew to Manila for a job interview with PAL and Macro Asia. Well, I would not discuss that for now, but we are going to talk about this one. So you see here, you can see the plane in the front. And it has this AirAsia.com. It has also these windows right over here. And this is a logo. Same also. And at the back, these are the specifications of the plane and some illustrations of the plane too. So let's open it. So let's cut this thing open. Pull it out. There's a plane. And it has a landing gear too. Alright, what we're going to do is that we will put first this, that's right, this landing gear goes over here. Set this thing aside first as we open this next piece. By the way, guys, look, the landing gear is also attached to the wings. So what we're going to do is that we will just put this in together. This is how you assemble the plane, the engines. First, we add this one over here. We gotta do the same thing as well here. Yes. And we add this over here. Then, we put the engine on either side. We insert it right over the holding over here. It stands over here and the horizontal stabilizers go over here. We'll have to take the thing out, this plastic. Slip it right over here. And there's our plane. Now we put it on the stand. I think we have to glue that in. And now we have our plane in place. Now let's take a look at it closely. Here we are at the port side area, or the left side of the plane. Look, the wipers on the cockpit, almost like the real thing. There's the AirAsia name in its advertising form. And that's their slogan, "Now everyone can fly." And that's the logo. A very nice font, by the way. But the only downside is that they don't have a registration for this model. So it's not like those other models which put registrations on their planes. So this could be any AirAsia aircraft, which is either Philippines AirAsia, Indonesia AirAsia, Thai AirAsia, AirAsia X, and what other AirAsia divisions do they have? Or even AirAsia Malaysia too, the original AirAsia. But anyways, despite that, it's still a good model to collect. Let's take a look at the front. There it is, almost a real thing. But let's take a look at the engines. Look at that, it's spinning. Engine fans spin on 1150, 1100, and 1200 models. Really good. Let's go to starboard engine. That looks good too. And there's our detailed stand, AirAsia Airbus A320 scale 1/150. Pull back and move to the starboard or the right side. There's our cargo door, almost like the real thing, but it's only painted. Cockpit, advertisements, slogan or motto, and the logo, almost like the real thing. There's our winglet, by the way. And did I forget that these winglets also have the AirAsia name and logo on it too? How nice it is. And that's our plane, by the way. And there we go. However, we still have one more thing to show you about this one too. This scale model moves, by the way, almost like the real thing. And this is one reason to love 1150, 1200, and 1100 scale. See? Moves like the real thing. You can even put it to takeoff or even landing. Now that you've seen the plane, I hope you enjoyed this video. As we end this video, please don't forget to leave this video a like, and don't forget to click the subscribe button and notification bell to get more updates on content and videos like this. And remember, I have a Patreon, PayPal, as well as Buy Me a Coffee account. So if you want to donate, please click the links below to those sites. I look forward to seeing you again in our next video.